Did you know humans glow in the dark? But don't get too excited. It's 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can see. This glow comes from chemical reactions in our cells. Now, sloths are the real underwater champs. They can hold their breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes. They slow their heart rate to do it. How cool is that? And speaking of cool, the heart of a blue whale is massive. A human could crawl through its arteries, and it weighs over 400 pounds. Lastly, there's a lake in Tanzania that turns animals into stone. Its high mineral content preserves them like statues. Nature is wild.